So hey everyone and welcome back guys into this brand new and also important video. So in this video it's gonna be very important and also very useful video for you all guys. Watch this video till and then if you new in the channel so also thank you for watching my video, and if you new in the channel so also don't forget to subscribe my channel. So always remember one thing, to a great man nothing is little. So guys, as you also can see in the thumbnail, what is the today's topic? Today's topic is most important, very interesting and very useful topic for you all. So we all know that learning English is very difficult. How we learn English by easily? I did not say this thing. How we learn the English language easily. So in this video, I'm gonna share you how you can learn. So in this video, I'm gonna share you how you can learn the English language by crazily and how you can develop your English language by easily. So now I want to share this thing. If you want to learn the English language, so just English language is very easy. So if you do not want to learn the English language, so English language is most tough thing. Yes guys. So whenever we just think this thing, that whenever we hear about the English language, we feel that English language is very difficult, English language is very tough, how we can speak the English language. So guys, you are totally wrong. So English language is very easy. If you want to learn the English language, so it is very easy. Always remember one thing. So now I start my speaking. Now I start my topic. So as you also can see in the thumbnail, what is the today's topic? Today's topic is most important. So whenever if we want to do anything in our future, so we need this topic and we need this thing. So how we learn English? By crazily, because when every time we have to fun, every time we think, our mind go to fun, our mind just distract about the fun. Yes guys, our body just curious about the fun. Yes guys, so fun is very important thing, and every time we need the English language. So now I want to tell you this thing, that how you can learn English crazily. So now I want to tell you, if we want to learn the English language, we have to be a crazy person. So how we become a crazy? By the body movement and by making video. The two way is very important to become a crazy. So and to learn the English language crazily. The body movement. Body movement is the way of your speaking skill, to develop your speaking skill. As you also can see how, so the thing is that if you do body movement, so your sentence automatically come out. Your sentence automatically come out in your mouth. Yes guys, whenever you just do body movement, so your sentence automatically come out and you are like a feel you just free. And whenever you go any places, so you can automatically just speak anything in front of many people. Also remember one thing, that do body movement and how you can improve your body movement. If you want to improve your body movement, so first of all guys, you have to just practice. You have to practice. And how you practice your body movement skill, how you can improve your body movement skill? By just talking. As you also just speak something about your daily routine in the front of the mirror, so you can easily make your body movement skill better. So always remember one thing, that body movement is the most important thing, and without body movement you cannot become a motivational speaker. Without body movement you just cannot become a good English speaker, because body movement is very important. Whenever I will give you example. If I just put my hand like this and I will say to you like this, hello, my name is Kunal, I read in class 8, my school name is Mount Academy, I read in class 8, my school name is Mount Academy, and I would like to draw. It is not the you don't like this thing. So guys, now I'm say to you that the body movement, and the next is I also say to you that the making video. So what is the benefit to making video? The benefit to making video is that to improve your English speaking skill. Yes guys, so whenever we just go any stages, so in that moment whenever we start our speaking, so in that moment we feel the hesitateness, and in that moment we feel the shyness. So why we feel the shyness? Because the easiest thing, that if you want to remove this thing, so the easiest thing is making video. So whenever you just make your video, so whenever you watch this video, so your shyness will automatically just remove. Whenever you just practice this thing to speak something in front of the camera, so you can easily learn the English language and you can easily become a successful person in your life, because English language is one of the most important thing that every people, every just country use the English language. Whenever you go to the another country, so in that time they do not understand your language, they only understand English, and you have to know the English, because if you go to the another country you have to survive. You have to survive. If you did not know the English language, so you cannot not survive. You did not say, you did not explain your thought, what is in your mind. So always remember one thing, just learn the English language, and if you want to learn better English language, also subscribe my channel, and I have also uploaded lots of motivational video for you all. And now I want to say sorry to everyone because I did not active some few days. I have the problem, so that's why I did not upload my video. So guys, don't worry, I try to my best to upload my video regularly. So thank you for watching. See you in the next more beneficial video, and if you're new in the channel, also subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next more beneficial and also important video.